Hello my wit fellows, this is just a short video to let you guys know what I'm doing with my channel over the next 2 months. Some of you guys may know, some of you guys may not, but my dad is having surgery tomorrow from complications with cancer. Now he's a really tough guy, so I think he's going to be fine, but with that said, he is going to be out 6 to 8 weeks, and he owns a liquor store with my mom, and I am knowledgeable with all of the ordering from all the vendors and receiving and everything like that, so I'm going to be working at the store during his hours, which is Monday through Wednesday. What that means is I'm going to have a lot less time to do the things I've already been doing. One thing that I am definitely going to scale back on is on my YouTube channel. Now I'm not disappearing completely. I still have my self-publishing tips and tricks videos and my author interviews that are coming out. The difference is I normally post on Tuesdays. Well, for the month of February and March, all my self-publishing tips and tricks videos are coming out on a Tuesday. So that's going to be covered for most of the time that I'm going to be out. Another thing that I'm definitely going to keep doing are my income reports. So I'll have my January income report and my February income report, which will come out February and March. I have other videos that I've already filmed, but they're not edited, and that's going to take time. However, besides working at the liquor store, I do have some other priorities. I am working on the 3rd book in my series of Clash of Goddesses, which will complete my series, and this is very important for me to get done. I start exchanging chapters with my 2 critique partners this next week, and I'm looking at trying to have that process done sometime in March so that I can get it out to beta readers and make all of the notes and changes and revisions I'm going to do before it goes to my editor on the 1st of May. I may also do some other short videos that may be unedited, like this one where it's pretty much just straight off the cuff with no script, but I don't know what those will look like right now or if I'll even do them. So what's definitely coming for right now? Well, tomorrow I have my Secret Santa authortube Secret Santa unboxing coming out. That's actually going to be part of a playlist where a bunch of us authortubers did a collab with these unboxings for a Secret Santa. So please watch those and support everybody. Then the next self-publishing tips and trick video comes out on Tuesday, February 1st, which by the way, I think I messed up the preview on that. I think I said Monday, February 1st, which February 1st falls on a Tuesday. So it's Tuesday where you can have a chance to interact with author Richard Holiday. And that will come out at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Then something new that I'm adding to my channel is some productivity sprints. And I am doing this as a collab with Colin Clark here on my channel every Friday in February, starting at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And those are called Productivity Pyramid Wars, which is probably slightly different than anything you've done before, but they're still writing sprints. One other major thing I have coming is at the end of February, on February 25th, which is a Friday, at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, so 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I have my first major AuthorTube collab here on my channel, where we're going to talk about AuthorTube and author branding and how you cross that divide between those two. For all those who follow me who also put out videos, I will continue to watch them. However, I may be limited on time that I can comment because right now I am seeing that the time I have to watch the videos or listen as it may be is when I'm driving to and from the liquor store, which is about a 45-minute drive each way. So I will have time to listen to people's videos, but otherwise I'm not going to be able to probably leave too many comments. But please know I am supporting all of you and I will be back in full force once my dad recovers. I appreciate each and every one of you being here and I look forward to what happens with the channel in the next couple months. I'm hoping I can still bring you guys some great content. With that said, thank you for being here for these couple of minutes and happy writing.